Hello guys, another video for Corsa 1.2D. What I have here is my fan, which was over there. When you turn it on, it's making some annoying squeaking sounds, so it doesn't matter even 1 to 4, it's making that annoying noise. So what was the problem? So if you take out the blower from there, there is a lot of video on the internet, you can have a look, and remove the cover, this one. You see the motor here. Wait, take it to the better view, like that. If you see, all these golden plates was so dark and dirty, so I can show from another side. All this was dirty. Let me focus like that. Yeah, now it's much better. But let me move it a little bit like that. Yeah. So if you see now, it's now all golden, nice color. I have a little bit make it with some scratches to make better contact. If the dirt is still sticky, but the little scratches will be make better contact. I haven't got any very thin sandpaper, I could do it, so I have to do it in barbarian way. But anyway, the main things is nice and clean. Also on the brushes here, if you see where is my finger, there is brushes, and all brushes have sticky, some dark dust or whatever it was, so I needed to blow it. You can blow it with different way, just have to find the easiest way. You can use pop-up blower or just blow with anything. I have that sprays, so I can just show you how dirty it was. This was all white, now it's totally black. Anyway, it can clean more, but I get rid of that squeaking noise, and now when I turn this to rotate, it doesn't make any sounds. What I notice here is I have some rust. Probably this was one of the reasons that dark things are sticky, oxidinate, or I don't know, something else. So even you need to clean the box. Not going to fit here. You see it's still dark. I'm still cleaning it, but yeah. So another thing is, if your fan stop working, you can also clean it. That means if you don't have from 1 to 3 any fan, so if you clean that brushes can help, or just you can change all the unit. It depends of you if you have money to buy a new one or just want to check. I'm just making this for myself because I hate that squeaking noise when I have fun, and yeah, that's help for me. I hope so next couple of years I don't need to clean it, but if you have these annoying things, just try to do it.